Started.
Talking, I'm looking for it. Stop. Server.
It's about to go down. Alright, who are you? Wait, who's Fred? I mean Shaggy. You're Shaggy. Who's this? You guys are the same characters, but what? Who am I? Am I female?
Yeah.
Skeleton Man. Alright, you guys wanna get in groups of twos?
No, let's all go together.
We never did groups of twos. Okay, I'm going by myself. Peace out.
You go by yourself, you'll silly die.
I have insanity.
Booger.
Groups of twos. Alright, I go with the Skeleton Man. Come on, Skeleton Man. Alright, who's Skeleton Man? Oh, Blizz. Alright, Blitz. Alright, Blitz, turn around. We can't go this way. Turn around. We're just gonna go straight backwards.
No, I think I saw a camp recorder.
Where? Hey, Blitz, are you the Skeleton Man?
Yeah, that's me.
Alright.
Look, there they are.
Where? Oh, I see a tape recorder. Alright, nah. Alright, come on, we're gonna go this way, Blitz, right?
Stop.
Oh, he's right there to our left. I found some pillars. I know those are rocks. Alright, he's not behind us. There might be a tape over here. Oh my god.
Yeah,
I hear it. I don't see it. Get it. Oh, yeah. Okay. Wait, can I get one here? Oh, they're eating me. I'm scared. Alright, let's go this way. Left, alright. Wait, I think this is a cave. Come here. Can we go inside this rock? Yeah, we can. Come on. Alright, when we go through here, turn off all your lights so it'd be scary. Alright? Oh, he's right behind us. Not that. He's close, but not that close.
Like 10 feet.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, he's not behind us no more. Alright, Top Gun, how are you doing?
They're licking their own nipples.
Really? They want to lick me. Alright, Top Gun, how are you doing so far? Left? Let's go more left towards the right. You found one? Alright, so that's 3. What? We just went through a cave. Yeah, we just went through it. Alright.
Oh my god, a windmill.
Oh, he's right towards the left. Oh, fuck. Alright, we're on the road. What is this? This is a sign? Is there anything written on the sign? No? It's pretty retarded. Where? Yeah, there's a radio. Oh, you died? Like, are you sure? Or did you like... Alright, yeah, there's no radio over here. So Top Gun... Oh, he's right there! So who's by themselves? Alright, Top Gun, try to meet up in the spawn so you don't die, so you go back in 3s. Oh! Oh my god! Why is he right there? Why is he right there? Oh shit. Oh my god. He was like all up in our face. Oh my god, he's still there. Oh fuck, oh fuck. Top Gun, let's meet up somewhere. Top Gun, where we gonna meet up? Oh my fuck. Taco, flick your light off and on. Alright. Blitz, go towards the light. Go find his light. Oh, he's right there. Alright, Blitz, you see a light out there?
I'm in ghost mode. I see you as a ghost. You're like...
Does anybody see a light flickering off and on?
Oh, you guys too. Oh, I thought you were still on. I thought you were dead. I thought you were alive.
Top Gun, did you mute me? I can't even hear him.
He's answering your question.
Well then how come I can't hear him? Like what the fuck?
I don't know. You're kidding me?
Okay, well. Be like that. No, I'm just gonna. Where you go? Oh my god. Ghost. Oh, did everybody die? Oh god, he's right there. Oh my god. I'm gonna go this way. Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm not playing this game no more. Oh my god, he was right in front of my face. I didn't know what to do. I panicked. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay guys, that was funny though. He was like, what? No, he was like right in front of my face. I was like, when I turned around, he was like right there.
Wait. Hey guys, download certificate, though.
Guys, play one more time. Well, do you guys want to play one more time? Alright, are we doing another round?
How is this time we all stay in a group?
Alright.
Top Gun left the part of the group. So it's just gonna be us three.